One of my favorite nights of the week is burger night. Burgers just make people happy and bring people together. Today, we're making a blended beef burger, beef, chorizo, some beautiful Pomi tomatoes. Top that with caramelized onions and a tomato sauce. It's gonna be incredible. These burgers, really easy to throw together. We've got chorizo and beef, all the classics, but tomatoes. Tomatoes are the hero of this burger. They taste incredible in here. Super quick and easy burger sauce that we're making. Onions, garlic, olive oil, basil, some red chili flakes, and tomatoes. We're gonna bang that, obviously in a blender. Turn that on. When you're ready to go, put that on the stove, bang that on there for about 5 minutes, you're all done. So these burgers are about halfway done. They smell incredible. We're gonna drop in some butter, some garlic, and some rosemary. Once that butter's all melted, I'm just gonna constantly baste these burgers with the butter. It's gonna soak in all that goodness. Next level. This burger is just insane. Chorizo, Pomi tomatoes, caramelized onions, Gorgonzola. This is what you should have next burger night, but it's what I'm having right now.